10,
9,
8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
1.
Happy New Year!
Oh no, the fireworks! Oh no! Whoa. Whoa! 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 Hey! Oh my God! Whoa! 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 No! Whoa! 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 Yeah! Woo! Woohoo! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
See, Bluey? It wasn't that bad.
They're a lot scarier than I remember.
Well, I liked them. Yep, they were beautiful. Good thing we got them on camera. But why were you screaming a lot during the footage? I just love fireworks, you know that, Junior. So anyway, hi YouTube, Poohsito here. And Mickey Mouse Jr. So we just want to say, thank you for being our fans and watching our videos. Yeah, we really love and appreciate you guys. And our New Year's resolution is to deliver lots of cool content in this new year. Yeah, stay tuned for lots of new videos coming in this year of 2021. Yeah, so thank you for being on our side and being loyal subscribers. We love you all. Yeah, continue watching our awesome videos on Cintron Productions. Bye! Happy New Year!